Well, hello, and welcome back to another exciting adventure of What Did I Do Today? Well, look at this. A box of amazing treasures. Just to give you a little preview, this is what I'm pulling out of it. And here's a little bit more. I think this is a general store. And of course we have some, this is the Baltimore and Ohio sleeper cars, travel cars. This is a Pennsylvania, some bases, and then all the internal compartments for at least 6 trains. So this is super exciting. What is in there? So this is a treasure box from the grandparents. It hasn't been opened in years. And we're going to open it together because I have no idea what's in it other than what I've already pulled out. I was like, I should get the camera and record this because it's really cool. So thanks for joining me. Let's get into it, shall we? Check it out. Oh my gosh. So this is what I haven't even gotten into. I had one of those sets when I was a kid growing up. So far what I've done is I put all the trestle parts in here. You know what I'm talking about, all the little ladders and stuff. And then in this shoebox, I started putting all the little houses and parts of the houses that I've been finding in here. Kind of separate all this stuff, because I got to get it packaged and ready to travel. Okay, so got some padded paper here and a table. Let's try to pull things out and organize them. So let's keep going with the sleeper card, shall we? Not sure why they were taken apart. This is another Pennsylvania. Guess I'll lay them sideways so I can see what's happening with them. Here you can see the trucks. That's how they get power to the lights inside. Okay. Santa Fe. Well, something sliding around in there. I don't know what that is. Something sliding around in that one too. Maybe I'll put the solid cars down here and then the parts cars down there. See how that rolls out. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at the little door at the end. Oh, that's so cute. Look, both sides. That is so cute. What are we doing down here? Are we actually adding the luggage or the air conditionings? What's going on here? Interesting. Very interesting. These should start their own, but it's a full car. I'm going to set it here. There's another Pennsylvania. It seems to be together. It's got a different base. What is in there? Who is in there? Why is it in there? Oh, well, this one's from Trenton, Pennsylvania. Oh, there's little numbers. Yeah. This one's from Liberty, Pennsylvania. Okay, I know where they're at. What do we got over here? Hold on a second. This is Morrisville, Pennsylvania. Oh man, I didn't even really notice that they had the names on there. How exciting is that? And Princeton. Sweet. Yeah, we know Pennsylvania. Okay, where are we? Well, picking through the pile. Let's go here. What's this? That looks like the inside of a car. Train car. Let's pick out another passenger from Pennsylvania. Same custom work on this end. I think that's extra too. Those definitely add-ons. And then he was adding Adding the, what's this, the compressor tank and the refrigeration units possibly for this car. Well, I'm not sure. I'll have to look and see what those undercarriage units do. But he's got this set up, so man, it looks like, that almost looks like that was foam at one time that would compress to keep, that those guys would mate up with each other and actually, you know, seal or something, or be really close together. It's pretty exciting. Ooh, now we're getting down in the box. We're actually getting down to some prime movers. Let's start with this little girl. This little one right here. Okay, well this is not... This is not an old-timey train. This is just a battery-powered something or another that he got. Alright, let's take a look at this. Alright, hold on a second. Ha! You got me. It's not even a real train. It's literally just a replica. There's no drive gears. You can see it's riveted together. I'm not even sure if it'll fit on an HO track. The light is just white paint. See that? Okay. So that's kind of cool. Let's check the next one out. It's hefty. Good old Union Pacific 1041. Alright, how are we doing? How's this thing looking? The rear clip is still intact. The front clip is still intact and functional. Everything looks good underneath. That might roll. Go on to next. Actually connected together. All right. He's got some. There you go. Okay. Somebody's putting some weight plates in there. I'll have to see why. Wonder why they would have done that. I guess to get better traction on the track. Oh man, check it out. Totally. That is so cool. I succinctly remember this in 1976. I was 7 years old when this came out. It was so cool. Dad set it up with me on the living room floor. I ran this train till the wheels fell off. And then some. And we moved around so much that all the pieces, parts got lost or broken or gone. And well, as an adult, I never was really going to go out of my way to get one, but to have one just, thank you so much. This is such a wonderful, unexpected treat. All right, I'm going to have to take a break. So we're going to cut off here and we're going to go to part 2. So be sure to tune in as I unpack the rest of this box in a moment. Love you later. Bye.